Jill and I'm with
Jelly!
and welcome back to our
channel!
So for today's video, we are going to make another nutritious drink with Reliv now for kids. Very good. So last time we made a drink which is orange and carrot juice. So if you haven't seen that, you can click on the link above or this one. It's Reliv for Life. Relive your life. Sorry. It's okay. Okay, so if you haven't seen the video, you can click on the link above or we'll just put the link on the description box below. Today we're going to make an Oreo shake. Okay? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like that one.
You like this one?
Yummy.
It's yummy. Okay, so all you need is Okay, so all you need is what's this? A blender?
Blender.
Okay, very good. Move this one first. Milk.
Milk.
Oreos.
Oreos.
There. What's this?
Ice.
And of course, our Reliv now for kids chocolate flavor. So let's begin, Lily.
Yeah.
Okay, so all you need is to mix everything. Let's open this first. Okay, wait. Okay, so can you put Oreos, Zadie? Okay.
I'll put some on.
Okay, put them. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, very good. So that's Oreos and your very good. Reliv now for kids chocolate flavor. So you can put half a scoop or 1 scoop. It's up to you, okay? Okay, slowly. Slowly. Okay, go. Very good. Yeah, very good, Zadie. Okay, let's put this on the side first. It's plenty already. Next is put ice. Can you put the ice? No. Just put it.
Go down.
Let's just put small with them. No. Next is put milk.
That one I'm going to
Okay. Put milk.
Nothing. And look.
Wow. You can add more ice. Okay, and then close it. And okay, turn it on. Twice.
What toys?
Here you go. Twice. Okay, let's add more ice. You scared?
It's too fast.
It's very noisy.
Yeah, it's too fast.
Okay, wait.
No.
Put more ice. Wait. Okay, close it again. Wait 1 moment. And then go. 1, 2, 3, go. Go, do it. Go, fast. Mommy na? 1, 2, 3, go. Go twice.
I'm going to drink now.
And then you're going to pour inside the glass. And of course you can put straw. Okay? Go try, baby. What? What? Yummy! Wow! You like it? Wow, so guys, this is a very easy recipe and it's also very fun to do. Right, Zadie? Yeah, so this one is very healthy as well. Go drink. Can I try? Very yummy. Go drink. So guys, you can do this at home as well. And yeah, that's it for this vlog. Don't forget to... Oh, you're drinking? Okay, don't forget to relive your life. Drink some more. Okay, so that's it for this vlog. Watch out for more videos with us. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified whenever we have new videos. Bye! See you in the next one. Bye!
Bye.
Go drink. Very yummy. Bye!